Archer 8256 X-ray is departing runway 1, be a straight out departure to the northeast, Blackfoot. Waiting for 6,500. Alright, let's listen into COM 2.
Idaho Falls Tower, information Lima 2353, observation, wind 260 at 4, visibility 10, smoke in the vicinity, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 21, dew point 6, altimeter 3002.
Idaho Falls Tower, Archer 8256 X-ray is about 10 to the south over I-15 at 6,500. Inbound with information Lima for a touch and go.
Archer 8256 X-ray, make left traffic, runway 21, report midfield down.
Left traffic, runway 21, report midfield downwind. 8256 X-ray. Alright, let's start going down to traffic pattern altitude. 5,800.
Archer 56 X-ray to distance.
3.3 to the south.
Archer 56 X-ray, copy, thanks.
Idaho Falls Tower, Archer 56 X-ray is midfield left downwind, runway 21. Touch and go, and then a departure to the east. I've had correction to the west.
Archer 56 X-ray, I'm in sight, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 21. 56 X-ray.
Archer 56 X-ray, right turn to the west approved.
Right turn approved, 8256 X-ray, thanks.